Ever needed to access your computer from anywhere but got stuck choosing between VNC Connect and TeamViewer? Today, we're breaking down these two remote desktop giants to see which one's best for you. Let's dive in. When it comes to ease of use, VNC Connect is good but slightly technical, while TeamViewer is super intuitive and beginner-friendly. When it comes to speed, VNC Connect is decent but can lag, while TeamViewer is blazing fast, so it has blazing fast connections. When it comes to security, VNC Connect has strong encryption, while TeamViewer has military-grade security plus two-factor authentication. When it comes to pricing, VNC is more affordable for businesses, while TeamViewer is free for personal use but pricey for businesses. When it comes to cross-platform, VNC Connect works on all major operating systems, while TeamViewer also supports mobile and smart devices. When it comes to file transfer, VNC Connect has basic file sharing, while TeamViewer has the drag-and-drop simplicity. When it comes to customer support, VNC Connect has email and doc, while TeamViewer has 24/7 live support. When it comes to what they are best for, VNC Connect is best for IT pros and budget-conscious users, while TeamViewer is best for quick remote help and ease of use. So if you need simplicity and speed, TeamViewer wins. But if you want cost-effective control, VNC Connect is a solid pick. So which one are you picking? Drop your choice in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech showdowns. See you next time.